So my name is Martin Zahumensky. I am the second generation dairy farmer from Slovakia. We are currently here at our farm in Mikuláš, which is 2,500 cow dairy. So we started to use VES fans with a new barn. The biggest surprise for us with these fans was the lying time of our cows after we compared it to the old ventilation system. Previously we had a lot of issues with the heat stress and heat stress management, and after installation we didn't see such a big drops in milk production in repro. I would definitely recommend to everyone to buy fans from VES because we got a really good support with the installation, and also we saw a big benefit on our dairy reducing the heat stress.